Welcome once again to Mike Toler Chrysler Dodge Jeep and MikeToler.com. Thanks for stopping by to visit us today. We are looking at a rare find, a 2010 Dodge Ram 3/4 ton diesel truck. This has the 5.9 liter Cummins Inline 6 turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, and the miles just under 17,000. Can you believe it? Under 17,000 miles on this 07 one owner 4-wheel drive 5.9. This SLT package has it all. The upgraded chrome solid wheels, Dodge Ram side steps, factory tow package. There's your 7-pin. The only blemish on this vehicle is there's a little tiny indentation right there. Can't even hardly see it, but it's there. A little something happened, little whoops, but other than that, she's perfect. Bighorn edition, 4-wheel drive SLT, bed liner with the cap and the rail covers. This is a beautiful truck, Cummins turbo diesel power plant. Towing mirrors, and let's check her out on the inside. 2007, like we said, less than 17,000 miles, 16,946 as she sits. Let's go ahead and crank her up. Nice. Power windows, power door locks, keyless entry, 8-way power driver seat, upgraded Cummins turbo diesel floor mats with no additional charge. There's your 4-wheel drive electronic transfer case with a neutral setting for towing. It's a non-smoking vehicle. Ice cold air conditioning. AM, FM, CD with satellite radio and an auxiliary jack for an iPod MP3 player. Dual cup holders. Good sized glove box. Overhead information center. Temperature. Average fuel economy, right now she's at 17.9 miles till empty. Odometer, trip odometer, and elapsed time. I'm right back to compass and temperature. Little center console right here. And another storage area underneath there. This truck has the Yes Essential seat fabric. It's an upgraded seat fabric. It's odor resistant, anti-static, stain resistant. There's no stains in the seat. There's no stains in the headliner. No stains in the carpet. This vehicle is like brand new. That's plush right there. Checking out the second row, as you can see, the seats are clean. Headliner's good. Little storage area. You got a brake wiring kit. Front license plate. Both these seats fold up. Sliding rear window. This truck has it all. 2007, less than 17,000 miles. Available here at Mike Toler Chrysler Dodge Jeep in beautiful Morehead City. We do appreciate you taking the time to visit us today. www.MikeToler.com. Feel free to visit us in person also at 5069 Highway 70 in beautiful Morehead City, or you can call us up 252-247-2003, Mike Toler Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Used Truck Center, where Mike can make it happen. Thanks for shopping with us, and have a great day.